In the cozy town of Cooksville, there was a popular cafe named Bella's Bites. The cafe was run by two best friends, Anna and Bella, who had known each other since childhood. Their secret to success wasn't just their delicious food, but a special ingredient they called the friendship recipe. Anna was an expert in savory dishes, while Bella had a knack for desserts. They often joked that Anna's dishes warmed the heart, while Bella's sweets brought joy to the soul. Together, they created a perfect balance. One day, a customer asked about the secret behind their delightful dishes. Bella winked and said, "It's our friendship recipe." The customer, intrigued, asked for more details. Anna explained, "Our friendship recipe isn't an actual ingredient. It's the love, trust, and understanding we share. We pour our heart into every dish, ensuring it's made with care and affection." Word spread about the unique recipe, and soon, people from neighboring towns visited the cafe. They realized that the dishes tasted better when shared with loved ones, embodying the essence of friendship. Anna and Bella's cafe became a place where memories were made, laughter was shared, and friendships were forged. It stood as a testament that the best recipes in life go beyond ingredients, they are made of moments and connections.